Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best Nikon cameras for beginners you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Looking for the finest DSLRs for beginners? If you're just getting started with photography, deciding which DSLR to buy can be a bit daunting. Fortunately, we've done extensive testing of all the current models from Canon, Nikon, and Pentax to help you find the perfect match. Although the photography world is going toward mirrorless technology, DSLRs are still viable solutions for novices. For starters, DSLRs are still the most affordable option to purchase a camera with a built-in viewfinder, which is a crucial tool for framing and composition. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 3, Nikon D3500. Although Nikon hasn't introduced any new entry-level DSLRs in a while, the D3500 is still a great choice for beginners. It continues where the D3400 left off, but with a few more features. The main advantage of this camera, in comparison to power-hungry mirrorless cameras, is its battery life. The 24-megapixel sensor produces great image quality, and you can shoot for 1,550 images between charges, which is far more than most other DSLRs. Nikon has also changed the body and control layout to make it not only nicer to hold but also easier to use, while the guide mode takes the first-time user's hand and walks them through all of the main features in an easy-to-understand manner. We adore it, and we believe you will as well if you're just getting started. On number 2, Nikon D5300. The Nikon D5300 is the oldest DSLR on this list, having been released in 2013. Despite its gray hair, this once mid-range camera now has an entry-level pricing and yet has a lot to offer new photographers. For starters, the 24.2MP sensor still functions admirably, with its lack of a low-pass filter guaranteeing that it catches a lot of detail, and the 39-point AF system remaining dependable as long as there's enough light. The D5300 includes a vari-angle screen, which is unusual for a DSLR this old, and is useful if you want to compose with live view rather than the optical viewfinder. Although AF performance in live view lags far below that of mirrorless competitors, the D5300 remains a solid option at today's cheaper pricing if you prefer a vintage shooting experience. On number 1, Nikon D5600. Another entry-level DSLR that's holding its own against mirrorless cameras' growth. The D5600 is a step up from the D3000 series models, having more powerful specs to compete with the Canon EOS Rebel T8i, EOS 850D, for example, see above. A larger LCD screen, which not only flips out and swivels all the way around to face the front for vlogging, but also responds to touch, as well as a more improved focusing system, Wi-Fi, and a full range of additional control on the inside, are key improvements over the D3500. Sure, it costs a little more, but if you need a little extra growth area, the D5600 is the way to choose. It'll be a dependable partner for years to come. So guys, this was the video about the best Nikon cameras for beginners. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.